Hi everyone, welcome to Juicy News, hot news all time. Kennedy Agyapong, Member of Parliament for us in Central, has incurred the wrath of Kelvin Taylor as Kelvin Taylor has descended heavily on him. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and bell the notification icon. Now let's continue with the story. Before I bring you what Kelvin Taylor did to Kennedy Agyapong, this is how it started. Kelvin Taylor accused the Honourable MP, Kennedy, of being in bed with top security personnel, saying that the security personnel provides him, Kennedy, with a lot of information. Kennedy did not take it kindly with Kelvin when he was responding to the issues Kelvin raised. This is what Kennedy said.
He called me. Yeah. Now he was worried. He said, Kelvin Taylor. Say me, he's in bed with me. No, mom information. Unbelievable. Nah. Me na me ma tiwa na de can ye boa ekosheho. Believe in this. In a way, I said nobody should take that idiot. He behaves like a slave. Can you say Kelvin Taylor? What's yes, sir? Papa na yara woni ne no. A fool. You refraining from. No, you know, but you know what you didn't pass your supposed to son Suri. Well, Bema Umbra Ghana American No. Wait till I will say Assembly or Kabia. He doesn't have the Papa no cry the telephone number could have been yeah. Minimum the telephone number. You say be a friend brother. Say oh lawyer me pay ABA Mr. Ken. Number. I don't kiss ass. I don't. Platform me any down for no. I don't kiss ass. Oh, yes to anybody. I don't even have time. The only time I call twice. One, our IGP office. Yeah. When I went there, read my list. Mufi said, me customer I went there to report Obinim. Second time. I took another, also the same, two Kanyabua to take over Okoyisu police for logo. What you say? Yeah. Maybe what time threaten Abranti. Yeah, but say me Konoho Aden. Oh, I respect him, but the way I don't see put to as way nyame. What do you say? Incredible. Jimmy Agaza never pay Jimmy for what you are. O cancer never pay Jimmy Diana or small be said on the pancho. We ban to our dim pain for what you make. Indeed, what company? You are a fool. Who know what I'm Jimmy for? Who be so busy now? Who are gonna carry a wire? What did I keep to him now, Jimmy? A cubicle. A Siasana. Idiot like that, no man a chance, no can't question some what he until Washington and Ghana the old maybe. Yeah, the old year, the Ghana the old maybe. One, why he created so I said. Ya jailing go for on what you want link was some and never you NCA scandal. Yeah, but never you Kelvin Taylor. And you are catching a gunner for the human away. Jimmy fall like that. Me call police for that. Me time. I don't kiss nobody's ass. I'm a man on my own. I'm telling you. You fucking asshole. Chairman. Yeah, you see, please. That is the language he understands. Maybe call America now. Kenneth, what if you say? Kenneth, you want America? What if you say? Unanze, I will go America. I will fix away your mind. Trying to make life. What about Amwana? What was you a Bama or Sumra? Bragana, make sure first class ticket amount. What's your Bama? Make sure first class ticket amount and come here and see. So, bet me a run over Marfa. If I never party, I do one in whom Pema Puffin. What you are going to Jimmy. He doesn't have the fact. No, I just have to give it to him. Maybe it's wrong. When I'm going to so, don't go down with it. You have to go down. I didn't think that Papa Sma say, Yame Papa Chow. One year, Obi Yan, Nebano Yan Conforno, what Timmy after one. There was pain he felt. Free up. What can't you wine? Now we are always nipa full way or hang where Boboy. As Siasano. What madam? Show me Boboy no. So what Jimmy to say what? And I'm so papa anti-tunti. What Jimmy are it oh Papa Bruni Trono, I'm over Bianetti. I see, come here. Now, great. You know what? Because I'm sure Ghana for Mizrobia. We are soft. We are comfort. We are fake journalists. I'm not afraid of anybody. I'll always speak the truth. Case closed.
Nothing but the truth.
Yes, because me too are there. Now when police you are any changes are IGP any changes are me who am I? They cause their own blunder and they cause them. I don't know. I don't want to know. Case closed. Out here. The moment occurs, so many what done or evidence. Cry yourself, no. Papa the fee baby or thing. The telephone number. In the end, we Jimmy for Papa Jimmy and Odibia. We are fool. Opa Braha. Don't match out to say sleep. What's the American out to power brony June in the toit? I'm what we are now run your mouth. About our papa, I will me, what you are doing, I say, oh papa, one impay. Oh papa, one nick can your boy. Officer media, Baramu, Cotramu, some social media, getting Chile with Gina. Oh papa, oh, shall papa, one name pay. What
Kelvin Taylor also responded to Kennedy in equal folds as he run down the MP, using unprintable words to describe him. This Kelvin Taylor's response to Kennedy.
Gentlemen, Andrea, I'm secondary Roberts now. Net 2, talking about a whole lot of things. In fact, the statement in 99% was directed at my dad. Papa, there's one thing my father tells me, Kevin, never insult somebody you don't know unless you have facts. I've never met Kennedy Japon's father. I've never met his mother. I don't have anything against them. I will never sit here, whether they are alive or dead, to speak about them, insult them. Never. But Kennedy Japan, I need to respond to Kennedy Japan because he acts like an animal. Simple. I told Kennedy Japan, the new CID boss, called Kennedy to come out and tell Ghanaians and say CID docket nekutan sexy docket no country Ghana for say you were not stated in there. The original document I have say enyo na kun JB Dankwa. I've asked you. I also asked you, say let them come out and say enyo na kun Ahmed Swali. You see me, you see when I'm saying I don't go oh papa there, I don't know your mom. I don't have time for that. And I'm a catcher will say Kenya Boa, you are in bed with Kenya Boa and Kenya Boa is giving you information because when I Kenya Boa promise no kumasi. Tama boys no echo court na ransack court with policemen there. You told Kenya Boa to make that case disappear and that you make sure she gets the CID job and then you make sure that Tiwa will lose her job. That's why consistently you are attacking Tiwa and it worked and this guy is there. It is a fact. When was the last time anybody heard Kennedy Japan attack the CID boss? Now say the GP I'm going to CID boss. When you went to the IGP's office, he sacked you. And then when you were entering CID's boss, everybody saw you. When you have men at the police station, me too have men there. We all have eyes. Ken Yabua is always in your house. And you see, you contradicted yourself a lot. Let me straighten you, Ken Japan. I don't know Ken Yabua, but I am a genuine number will be one of my friend. Stupidity, we didn't call to Bianca with jail. Ghana no be Jimmy Musao. And I Ghana obey a slave. Jimmy star now the Tiana that could do Ghana. See Canada Japan. Mami can be intro. Jimmy no. Mami straighten you kakra. Andra, you admitted 100% say unim Ken Yabua. And I only Ken Yabua ne di sam kwasi asem. Yes. Uhufin. Jimmy, wo adwosa for a bed wedding and I don't know oko wrong so on to twu bema. Adwosa for anya opamo sa abuobi. You want to come and insult my dad? My dad has worked hard to get where he is. He's a paramount chief for crying out loud. Paramount chief. He started work Anglo Ashanti with some donor dams. What can I just tampa pay AG, you know? What can I Japan now platform or Bronx? Kwasia Bema. Oh, thing. What bought just set their old tick trouble so. Oh, tan. Anyhow, and I'm worst. The diabetes in Kwan Ayo. If you pass 2020, I'll be shocked. Me see. I set a trap for you. And it's a bait, and you are falling into me. See, what about me? Show my wife's picture and show my picture. Hey, Kelvin there, or Pablo photo, and I Kelvin there, or Tablo Chonya Jimibia. Me see, oh, yeah, Bema. Show my picture and show my wife's picture on that your dirty TV. Nekasa Kelvin Taylor, me show the picture. And when I won't say me a phone, but the other man, yeah, because the FBI will handle it. I don't have to spend more than 5 minutes on you. FBI will handle it. Jimmy, I just have to worry. Or Pamosa punching, and I do to a wood say, oh, yes, you cry, also saw Bemim, stupid fool like you. Such a dirty man. And it hurts me. Say, oh, you know what? On to tufo. Why was so punching? Say, me bad boy no. Obano Uncle Bobranko do tisa punching. He should go out there and hustle like a man. Such a foolish fool. Not any if you do. Why wa body tan. Na be man who tan utise adwe. Utise adwe. You want to insult my dad? Papa jana wo ye nipa. E krasi no ko pientra. Na me yama fosu for say abua opuro bia no mato abama no. Wait. What is he doing for Ghanaians? Such a stupid fool. Kennedy, now I will make sure I have an expose on you. How you dupe the US government. Missy with one my FBI. Whoa, maybe you expose my mom for who the kind of person you are. A criminal. Abua, the cocaine, and a green card. Missy wo, Messi show sa body. Messi show sa body. Time. Miwoska. Kwasia, makoji pay, Sandals Nation on $5,000 watch, $4,000 watch. Jimmy, such a foolish fool. You want to insult me? See, if you want to deal with me as a man, mention my name, show my picture, and talk to me as a man. My dad has got nothing to do with it. He has lived his life. He's a respectable man, and he leads a village. So, scan will cry, Nipabuno, Wuhane Ungufi. I just want to show Bema. Now, and yeah, I would have my last one, mammy. Senebeya, walk horrible. Oh, but this one Kasabi, Agyapong speaks a lot, but he has never spoken about his dad before. Agyapong. So I'm going to cut this piece and send to him. Agyapong, my dad is Nana Attà.acks or Akufo-Addo, the paramount chief of Attà.acks Kwamankesi. Agyapong, who is your father? Kennedy, who is your father? Uni papa, uni mo papa. What can sembe we are say Attà.acks? I want to about you yesterday. Utitisa box iron. 1962 iron. Me say, who is your father? Take 30 minutes. Never bet na TV. So ne ka o papa ho asem. Emma Ghana fonte the kind of good manner. Oh, maybe I'm not here to insult your dad. I can't do that. Your mother, I don't know her. But the question people want to know is, o papa ne wine. Kennedy, you say o papa on the wine. Me de my bomb papa din achro. Oyo, onyo, wo owuyo. Mitumi bomb papa din. He is a paramount chief, and I respect him a lot. But Kennedy, who is your dad? Oh, papa, and why? Why would say Osono? Why would say Preku? Me say, oh man, catch them so omunana. But now TV so ne bo omunana history chiromo. It's now Kennedy Agyapong. The question everyone is asking: who is your dad?
All right, guys, you will hear from me in my next video. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.